Namaskaram. Happy Navaratri. Today, 6th day of Navaratri. So, we will visit Kanchipuram, Kamakshi Amman temple. Kamakshi Amman is the incarnation of Parvati. Ka means Saraswati. Ma means Lakshmi. And Akshi means eyes. So, Lakshmi and Saraswati are two eyes of Parvati. So, Parvati took the form of Kamakshi here. So, Kamakshi is an incarnation of Parvati, and this is the temple mainly for Kamakshi Amman. So, that is why here this Ambal is given prominence. Ambal is given all the rights. This is a very big temple in Kanchipuram and temple for Ambal. So it is very, very famous here, like how Meenakshi Amman temple at Madurai and Visalakshi Amman temple at Kashi. Here Kamakshi Amman temple at Kanchipuram. It's a very big temple. It's a very old temple. Now, so this place is known for Shiva and Parvati's wedding, because Parvati used to do penance under the mango tree here. She used to make linga out of sand and she used to pray, she used to do puja, and her prayer was to get married to Shiva. So once Shiva tested her whether she could hold that sand linga for longer time, so he created a wave and tried to destroy it, but because of her love, because of her devotion towards Shiva, she could hug it and she should protect it. So here the wedding is conducted every year as Utsav. So this happened under the mango tree inside the temple. And did she pray only to get married to Shiva? No. She also prayed for protecting the Devas, protecting the people. Because once the Devas, they were troubled by Asuras. And one of the Asuras was Bandashura. He was about to enter the abode of Devas and take away everything. So they all prayed to Lord Shiva and they requested Lord Shiva to help them. Then Lord Shiva asked the Devas to go to Kanchi and do your prayer there. They came to Kanchipuram, but they stayed here in the form of parrots, because if they were in their original form, they were very sure that Banashura would come and kill them. So they were in the form of parrots and they were staying on Shanpaka tree. And they pray to Sri Bala Tirupura Sundari in this place. So, Ambal was in the form of Sri Bala Tirupura Sundari here. And she was very angry to hear this. How they were troubled by the Asuras. So, here we find Sri Bala Tirupura Sundari changed to Kamakshi. That is, Parvati took birth as Kamakshi here. And he helped the Devas. So the Devas, they used to be inside that secret tunnel which is under the feet of the divine feet of Sri Bala Tirupura Sundari. So they stayed there. They came only through that, and they were in the form of parrots and they were doing puja, they were doing penance there. And Tirupura Sundari became very ferocious. So she was found, she was seen with 8 hands and 18 weapons. She had chakra in her hand. And she dragged the Bandasura from Kailash to Kanchipuram and killed him. So all the Asuras were destroyed. They were slain by Ambal and Devas. They requested Ambal to be cool after the death of the Asuras. But she remained very ferocious. She didn't come to normal expression. So they were so worried and they prayed to her to cool down. Then she asked them to build a victory stand, that is Jayat Smaba. So they all went to build the Jayat Smaba, just like a victory stand. And after they finished that work, they came back to see Sri Bala Tirupara Sundari, but they could see only Kamakshi Amman. So Kamakshi Amman in the form of a young lady with beautiful and compassionate eyes. The eyes were loving, that shows love, that shows compassion. So they were so happy to see Kamakshi Amman in that form, and they all requested her to stay here only in that form. So this is how we have Kamakshi Amman in Kanchipuram, which is like a motherly goddess. So we all pray to her, and she removes our sufferings, and she blesses the devotees. So Kamakshi Amman, here we can find her having sugarcane in her hand and having in Padmasana posture, and she spreads peace and prosperity. So if we surrender to her and pray for all our whatever problem we have or whatever defects we feel that we have, she removes all our suffering. She gives us peace and prosperity. So Devas, as per the request of Devas, she stayed here as Kamakshi. So Parvati, she was in the form of Sri Bala Tirupara Sundari. Then after the Asuras were killed, she turned to be a Kamakshi Amman. Now we have Kamakshi Amman in Kanchipuram. She is the main deity of this temple. And it is one of Shakti Peetham. And what Shakti Peethams? And this Shakti Peetham is known as Nabhisthana Udyana Peetham. We have other Shakti Peethams in various parts of India. We will see the other places too. So today we have seen Kanchipuram Kamakshi Amman, who is the presiding deity, who is the main deity in Kamakshi Amman temple.